How to send TikTok video in WhatsApp without link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send a TikTok video in WhatsApp without using a link. So let's just jump right into it. First of all, open up the app and you can just find the video you want to send. So one of the easiest methods you can apply is to send the video without the link. You can directly save it into your phone. For that, find the video that you want to save and tap on the share button. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding a save video option. Go ahead and click on it, and once this video will be downloaded, you can go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and locate the person where you want to send the video. For example, this one person. So in order to send the video, you can tap on the attachment icon, the paper clip, and select gallery in order to open up your phone's saved media. And once you've selected the video and sent it, it's good to go. And that is it. Now you have successfully sent a TikTok video in WhatsApp without sharing a link. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. And thank you for watching.